Welcome to Buy Smart. Today, we're taking a look at two of the best lawnmowers on the market, the Greenworks Pro 80V and Sunjoe 48V Ion Plus. Both are great options for tackling your outdoor chores, but let's compare them side by side to see which one is the best for your needs. The Greenworks Pro 80V is powered by an 80V lithium-ion battery, while the Sunjoe 48V Ion Plus is powered by two 24V lithium-ion batteries. The Greenworks Pro 80V offers up to 1 hour of runtime with a fully charged 4Ah battery, while the Sunjoe 48V Ion Plus provides up to 25 minutes of runtime with two fully charged 4Ah batteries. Both mowers feature brushless motors, but with different wattage. The Greenworks Pro 80V is powered by a digital-controlled brushless motor with a total power output of 1100W, while the Sunjoe 48V Ion Plus is powered by a 900W brushless motor. The Greenworks Pro 80V motor offers more torque, quiet operation, and longer life. The Greenworks Pro 80V has a 21-inch cutting width, while the Sunjoe 48V Ion Plus has a 20-inch cutting width. This means that the Greenworks Pro 80V can cut a wider area in a single pass. The Greenworks Pro 80V includes Smart Cut TM technology to improve performance and extend runtime. The Sunjoe 48V Ion Plus does not include Smart Cut TM technology. Both of these lawnmowers have plenty of features to help you get your lawn maintenance done easily and efficiently. But which one is right for you? That depends on your needs and preferences. Weigh out the pros and cons of each and make a decision based on what'll work best for your situation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest reviews. Till next time, stay smart and keep buying.